If you want to change your TV pin code, you need to enter the current code. Or if you want to change the parental rating age, you need to enter the current code. If you want to reinstall your TV, you also need to enter the current code. But if you forgot the current code of your TV, you have only one way to reset or change it, and that is to hard reset your TV. Factory settings does not reset your TV. It only sets the TV settings to its default settings. There are many videos on YouTube showing how to hard reset your TV, but the method that they show works on very old TVs. Now I show you how to hard reset your TV using the turn on and off button. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. On most TVs, the turn on and off button is under the TV, so use it and turn it off. Then unplug your TV, unplug it, wait for this to turn off. As you see the white light or sometimes the red light. So when it is off, hold the turn on off button, plug your TV back. Hold it for a few seconds, release it, turn on, and then hold the turn on and off button again. Hold it, release it, hold it again, release it, it takes 5 to 7 times to plug and unplug your TV and to hold and release the turn on and off button. And now we are in the process of resetting the TV. First thing is to choose the language. So the language for me, English is okay. And then country, you can select the country where you are living. Location, you can set up your TV for home or shop. And then the internet connection, whether it is wireless or wired. You can also go to the letter and then click on letter to set up this letter. Installing channels, install satellite channels, install antenna or cable channels, connect it a set-top box. For now I'm going to continue, finish, network not connected, no problem, escape. Congratulations, you have completed this TV installation. Enjoy your TV. Click on finish, click on home. Very nice. Now you can set a new pin code for your TV. Go to the settings, navigate to child lock. You can set parental rating, app lock, and set code. Set the pin code to lock or unlock the TV. Enter the code, do not use 000. And enter the code again to confirm. Very nice. Now you can set parental rating. You have to enter the code again. And here you can set the minimum age. For example, 18. App lock. Enter your code again. Very nice. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I have published and shared many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hackers that can help you with your career, with your studies, and with your daily life. So check out my channel and watch also my other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.